Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the external voice platform. Discord is simplest, and creating a single dedicated voice channel for your Aternos session. Once done, configure channel permissions so players can speak and join without delays. You also tell everyone to install the Discord app or use the browser client. That reduces lag and mic issues. Make sure you have your Aternos server name and player slots visible so you can paste invites quickly. This immediate setup gets everyone ready to join voice while the server boots. You now coordinate how players will connect. Paste the voice invite into the Aternos server chat, forum, or a group DM and state a clear join time. Once players enter the voice channel, set push-to-talk if background noise is an issue or allow voice activity for casual play. If you want in-game chat bridged, set up Discord SRV on a compatible Aternos build. It forwards text but not native voice, so voice still stays on Discord. This middle step keeps text and voice synced for smooth play. You finish by launching the Aternos server and confirming everyone is present in the voice channel before entering the world. That prevents players missing coordination. During play, lower voice bitrate or ask users to use wired connections if you see stutter. This reduces packet loss. If someone can't be heard, make sure Discord has microphone permission, the correct input/output devices are selected, and nobody is muted. These common checks resolve most problems quickly. Keep one person as voice host to manage mutes and invites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.